Today we're in Congo cooking this delicious poulet mayo. So let's get started. Here I've got my chicken strips which I've cleaned, and I'm going to season them with salt, black pepper, chili flakes, garlic granules, paprika and all-purpose. I'm going to use some kitchen tongs to make sure this is mixed well into my chicken strips. Take this away and lay your chicken strips on a baking tray. And then you want to bake these on 175 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. Now to prep my vegetables, I'm using one medium bell pepper across 2 different colours. I'm also going to slice up half of a medium brown onion. I'm going to put this in a small bowl and season it with salt, pepper, garlic granules and all-purpose, and then I'm going to start to add in my mayo. You want to add in 3 to 4 tablespoons of mayo and mix this well into those vegetables. Here I've got my chicken. I'm adding it to a bowl lined with baking paper. And then I'm going to add in those vegetables that we prepared earlier. I also slap a bit of Scotch bonnet on top because I forgot to add it earlier. Now you want to mix this all together, and then you want to wrap your chicken in the baking paper, wrap it again in more baking paper, and finally finish off with some foil. So this is going to help those seasoned vegetables really soak into the chicken. You take it away and you bake it again at 175 degrees Celsius for a further 30 minutes. Then you can unpack it, and honestly, you can just eat it like this. It's a very popular street food and it's typically eaten right out of the baking paper. If you're a chicken lover, you're sure to love this. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.